Before starting the machine, use a 4mm hexagonal wrench and a 14mm open-end wrench to loosen the fixing screws of the front support. Turn on the power switch. Release the emergency stop switch. Turn on the key switch, and then wait for the controller to start up completely. Start the oil pump. Press the start button. Then wait until the system moves to the reference position before operation. Press the foot switch to move the slider to the bottom dead center. Stop the oil pump. Press the emergency stop button. Finally, turn off the power switch.